Right, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a simple React application and then uploading it to a server. Right, let's get started. I'm gonna type a command called npm init vite to create a React application. Right, as soon as I type, it'll ask for a project name. If you're doing it for the first time, when you write this, probably for the first time, when you write this, it'll ask to install or something like that. You just have to write y and then enter. It'll install the Vite on your computer and then this command. Right, I'm gonna write a simple name for my application. I'm gonna call it my app. Right, it'll ask like this. I'm gonna choose React from this and then React JavaScript. The first line is React in JavaScript. The second line is React in TypeScript. If you're a beginner, probably you are, you can choose JavaScript. After you do some stuff in React for some time, and then if you feel comfortable, you can move to the TypeScript. And then if you don't like it, you can just say on the JavaScript. Yeah, I'm gonna choose JavaScript for now. Right, the files are created. I have to go inside of that file, so the folder in command line. I'm gonna type cd my app. This is a change directory command, and I can go inside of that folder. Right, now I have to install the dependencies. In order to do that, I'm gonna type npm install. What it does is it's gonna install necessary packages listed inside of this package.json file. Right, let's wait for the installation. Right, it's installed. Now what I have to do is I can write npm run dev to see the website in the local server, in the local machine. It's not hosted or anything. Right, it's running on local host. Right, this is the website. I'm gonna just publish this website. Right, in order to do that, you'll have to go to the Netlify website. I'm gonna say netlify.com. This is a cool website to publish front-end stuff. You'll have to log in or create an account if you haven't already. But I have an account. I have already logged in, and then I can go to this section. You can see drag and drop your site output folder here. Right, I'm gonna create the output folder that's asking. Right, how do you do that? You have to write a command npm run build. Right, what it does is it's compiling all of the code inside of here and everything. It puts into a one folder, optimized and everything, minified and everything. This will be this folder, this has assets and everything. This has the main index HTML. Right, what you have to do is you have to right click on this dist folder and then reveal in file explorer if you're on Windows. Right, this is the folder. I'm going to open the Netlify website again. I'm bringing the folder again, and I'm going to drop this dist folder inside of this box. Right, I dropped it. It's uploading. Right, it's deployed. Now we can open this link. I'm going to click this. Right, it's working. It's our application. It's on the internet now. You can share this link anywhere. It will work. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you visit this website, it might not work. I might delete this after this video. Yeah, try it yourself. Create a React application and then build it, and then take the output folder, which is dist in this case, and drag it into this Netlify website in this box section, and you're good. The website will be uploaded automatically. And if you want to change anything here, you will change anything in this React application and then build it again using the run npm run build command, and then do the same. Drop the dist folder into this box. That's it. Yeah, it has a free quota. Netlify has 100 GB for a month, and like 100 GB bandwidth. Like, let's say your website weigh about 1 MB or something. When you request that, it will download 1 MB, so 1 MB will be added here. So yeah, that's how it works. And you have build minutes and concurrent builds, and you don't have to worry about that right now. Yeah, see you guys in another video. Bye bye.